Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Cooking Converter is probably one of the most useful tools for any home cook or baker, saving you time and frustration in the kitchen by providing quick and accurate conversions between different units of measurement for all your cooking and baking needs, ensuring consistent and delicious results every time, whether you're following a recipe from a cookbook or creating your own culinary masterpiece. Number 5. Kitchen Conversion Chart Magnet. Introducing the ultimate kitchen companion. This handy chart makes converting measurements a breeze, saving you time and frustration in the kitchen. With its generous 11 by 8.5 inch size, it's easy to see all the conversions you need at a glance. No more squinting at tiny print. It has everything you need. From teaspoons to gallons, grams to pounds, and Celsius to Fahrenheit, it's all here, ensuring accurate measurements every time. It also includes those tricky measurements like a pinch or a dash, making baking and cooking even more precise. Looking for a thoughtful gift for a home chef? This chart is both practical and stylish, a perfect addition to any kitchen. Made to last. It's water-resistant, durable, and easy to clean, ensuring it will stay looking great and functioning perfectly for years to come. What we like? It boasts an impressive size, ensuring readability at a glance. Its comprehensiveness covers all essential units, from teaspoons to gallons. If you need a durable and easy-to-clean chart with lots of information, this is the one for you. What people say. It's huge. Can easily read it from my workstation halfway across the kitchen. It's well organized. And I appreciate that it includes metric conversions for everything. It was exactly as advertised. Easy to read, strong magnet. Works perfectly on the side of my refrigerator. This is a very nice size chart. The magnet is strong and doesn't slide at all. Helpful instead of trying to do a search online in a pinch, and it helps to have a visual around. Number 4. Kitchen Conversion Chart Magnet. This kitchen conversion chart magnet is incredibly simple to use. Its clear layout makes converting measurements a breeze, saving you time and frustration in the kitchen. Looking for the perfect gift for a home cook or baker? This chart is a thoughtful and practical present that will be used time and again. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced cooks. This isn't just any chart, it's made with a durable, water-resistant finish and a strong magnetic backing. It'll stay put on your fridge and easily wipe clean. It has everything you need. This comprehensive guide converts dry and liquid weights, volumes, and temperatures, seamlessly translating between imperial and metric measurements. With its clean design and large, easy-to-read font, it's as stylish as it is practical. It'll elevate your kitchen's look while making cooking and baking simpler. Don't wait. Order your kitchen conversion chart magnet now and experience the ease and convenience it brings to your culinary adventures. What we like? Its ease of use makes cooking a breeze. It also makes a thoughtful gift for any home cook. If you value convenience and want a high-quality, long-lasting chart, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The magnet is of excellent quality and is lightweight enough that it stays firmly in place on my refrigerator without slipping or falling off. The information is organized in a way that is incredibly convenient and easy to read at a glance. Whether I'm converting teaspoons to tablespoons or figuring out oven temperatures, this chart has all the details I need. This makes it possible to make a recipe that uses grams for measuring. Plus, it is right on my fridge where I can find it. It converts ounces to tablespoons to cups, to grams to pounds. It will be very helpful and handy since it's a magnet to keep on fridge. Number 3. Talented Kitchen Magnet. This handy magnet is designed to make cooking and baking a breeze. It features clear, easy-to-read conversions for all your favorite recipes. Need to convert cups to ounces or tablespoons to teaspoons? It's got you covered. Quickly find the measurement you need with a simple glance. With a strong magnetic backing, it sticks securely to your fridge. It's always there when you need to check a conversion during cooking or baking. It's a great teaching tool for kids learning about measurements. Even experienced cooks will find it incredibly useful in the kitchen. You'll receive one 5 by 7 inch talented kitchen conversion chart magnet. It's an essential tool for home and professional cooks alike. What we like? This chart excels in metric conversions, perfect for those working primarily in the metric system. The strong magnet ensures easy access. If you're looking for a versatile tool for both cooking and teaching, this is ideal. What people say. It's magnetic so it stays in place on its own, and it has all the kitchen conversions I'll ever need. It's plain and simple, exactly what I needed in my kitchen. Convenient and easy to read conversion chart. As it is magnetic, it adheres to the side of my fridge in ready sight. I like the size of about 5 by 7, not too big, not too small. It's very clear to read and the magnet is very strong and stays put on the refrigerator. A great, inexpensive investment for the baker-cook in your family. Number 2. Kitchen Conversion Chart Magnet. It's amazing how small measurement differences can greatly affect your cooking. This handy tool ensures consistent results, whether you're a pro or just starting out. Precisely measure ingredients like sugar and flour. It helps avoid using too much or too little, saving you money and preventing kitchen disasters. Easily triple your recipes or adjust them for any number of guests. It's perfect for parties, family gatherings, or just making extra for leftovers. Stop eyeballing ingredients and risking ruined dishes. This helpful tool provides accurate measurements every time, leading to delicious results. Grandma's recipe in grams? No problem. This magnet makes converting measurements easy, so you can confidently recreate your favorite family recipes. What we like. This chart helps achieve consistent results by ensuring precise measurements. It minimizes food waste by promoting accurate ingredient usage. If you value precision and want to avoid cooking mishaps, this is perfect for you. Number 1. Kitchen Conversion Magnet. This handy magnet is your new kitchen companion, providing quick and easy measurement conversions right at your fingertips. It's perfect for cooking, baking, or any time you need a quick conversion. Easily switch between imperial and metric measurements. No more fumbling with conversion charts or online calculators, it's all right there on your fridge. It converts dry and liquid weights, volumes, and even temperatures from Celsius to Fahrenheit. It's the ultimate all-in-one measurement solution. Its extra strong magnetic backing ensures it stays put on your fridge or any magnetic surface. The flexible material won't break if you bend or fold it. Made with premium materials, it's waterproof and spill-proof, so you can easily wipe it clean. It's built to withstand the spills and splashes of everyday kitchen life. Keep it conveniently placed on your fridge for quick, hands-free access. It's the perfect addition to any kitchen, making cooking and baking a breeze. What we like. Its flexibility and waterproof design make it incredibly durable and easy to clean. The strong magnet ensures it stays put. If you need a robust and reliable chart that can withstand kitchen spills, this is your best bet. What people say. This is the best table for size and conversion I've ever had, and I've been cooking for 57 years at least. The size is so perfect for looking at, reading easily and quickly while you're baking or cooking. It sticks to the frigid without any problem and no scratches from it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.